Every time you're doing a plumbing repair, the first thing you want to do before removing any faucets, shut off the water. Now, in some of the properties, you may have an emergency shut-off valve right outside the house. But in this case, we don't have one, so we have to shut off the water at the meter. Okay, so we shut off the water at this meter. In this case, you have to actually rotate it all the way around until it aligns like this, and it's actually shut off. You may think it's not, but that's the way it is on the when you're shutting off the water at the meter. So since this is done, now let's go to the shower, and that's the shower that we're fixing. And there's a couple things that I want to go through that I have to explain. Now, when doing a repair on the shower, like in this case, I'm removing this here from the main valve, and you have to, on this type of faucet, you have to unscrew counterclockwise to remove. So you remove this, and now this is not a very common one. As you can see, this actually controls hot and cold water. Now, if you look at it, you're probably wondering how that's done. Yeah. So before you actually do anything, make sure to always remove the part itself. And since you have already shut off the water, then by removing the part, you can actually go to your nearest plumbing store and show this part and make sure you have the right one. Now, if they don't have it, then you would have to replace the entire valve inside the wall. Make sure you put it in all the way until this metal ring actually hits the side of the pipe, so it'll stop right on there. Now we're good to put this on. Okay. Now on this one, if you see, we got to remove these screws. Well, it's got another screw on the back. Yeah. But you can't get to it unless you remove those two. Well, the black one is the new one that I got. Yes. Okay. I like nice and shiny.